All right, guys, today we have a very quick video for you. Okay, I'm going to get you guys in the Juiced app, and I'm going to show you guys from start to finish how you go about finding a product to resell, what it looks like going through purchasing the product, doing your research on it to make sure it's a good product, and then listing it to resell all within the Juiced app. I promise you it's going to be very quick. It's going to take less than 5 minutes to show you guys how to find profitable items using the app. Guys, if you appreciate these videos, if you appreciate what we're doing here on the channel, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and comment down below and let me know if you guys are using the Juiced app yet. You better be, okay? You have no excuse. Free trial in the description, 14-day free trial link to join up. Use the Juiced app, become a user of it, and see exactly what we're talking about here on the screen, and see how easy it is to find items to resell and how quick this process makes it. But not only quickly, you can also track every single thing about your reselling business to keep you guys focused on the goal. So let me get you guys on the screen and let me show you how quick this process really can be with the Juiced app. Let's check it out. All right, guys, here we are inside the Juiced app. Hopefully you have seen this before and you know what it looks like. Whenever you log in, if you guys have your stuff synced up, hopefully you do, you'll see some of these screens over here that'll give you your sales and stuff like that. This is just an example screen of some of my stuff. Now, very quickly, let's head over to the releases tab. Okay, this is where you are going to find all of the items that have been posted by our staff members that we suggest that you go after. Man, whoever is posting these leads seems to do really well, and they really know what they're talking about. It's me, guys. It's me. Okay, I'm the one posting these leads. I like to pride myself on posting several leads for you guys throughout the week, just to give you guys a sense of what I'm going after. And all of these leads that I'm posting in here for you guys, these are things that I'm actively buying up. Okay, so I'm not just giving you something that I hope you buy, or just kind of throwing something out there. These are items that I'm actually purchasing and either selling right now, or I am holding them for a little bit later time. So let's check out some of these items and see kind of which one we want to target. So if you guys don't know, you can click on each item. It'll bring up a little card here to give you a little bit more detail about it. This is the price that we are buying this item for. This is how much we should try to sell it for. This shows where we are going to buy it at, where to sell it at. Obviously, this will take us to some of the sold listings. And then this shows the risk factor. And this is, you know, whatever the staff member feels like for this item. For me personally, I felt like this was a 2 out of 10 item. So pretty low risk. And then you guys can see even in the description down here that I included, hey, promo code SCHOOL20, that will get it down to the $40 price point that we're talking at. So this is a good item, but maybe not one that I am looking for right now. This is a good Under Armour shirt here. This is a Project Rock collaboration, and I have been targeting a lot of Under Armour stuff. So let's look through some of these items, see which one we want to go for. We have some Jordan Flight shorts here. We have some more Nike joggers, some Under Armour joggers, another Under Armour Project Rock collab. We have some Adidas stuff, some shorts. And honestly, as I look through these, if I were just looking personally, and let's say I was ungated in all of these brands, which I am, so I could sell on Amazon or I could sell them on eBay, I think I would probably want to go for this Project Rock tee right here. Project Rock stuff moves extremely easy, and it moves extremely fast because it's a collaboration with The Rock, obviously, and his stuff just tends to sell really well. So let's just click in here. All right, there's no additional info down here in the description, so we shouldn't have to use a promo code. And you guys can see that we are buying this for $22 and we are hoping to sell it for $50. Okay, so we already went to the exact link of what we're going for here. We also have a 2-day flash sale that just popped up. This right here in the corner is important. If you guys don't have Rakuten, I think I have it linked down in the description. Definitely join up and use Rakuten. Get you guys some cash back. This just makes reselling a little bit easier. So if you don't have it, I should have it linked down in the description. So be sure to check that out. So you guys can see right here, that this is unavailable right now for ship to me or same day delivery, okay? Because we have been apparently buying these up. I gotta tell you guys, I bought a lot of these, and I assume some of the Juiced members have as well. So if you guys are seeing this video now, it may be too late, but hopefully it isn't. Join up Juiced app. Come on, guys. So all we would have to do, obviously, is go through the process of buying this. I don't think I have to show you guys how to purchase the product. I think you know how to do that. But you would go through, purchase this product, and then after you purchase it, after you get it in, things like that, then you would want to list it. But luckily for you guys, you can do that right here on the Juiced app. Okay, so let's go through that process. Let's go over here. We're going to go to add product, and we're going to say that we want to list this on all platforms. Okay, you could choose just eBay if you want, or just Amazon if you want. For this example, I think most of you guys sell on eBay, so I'm going to list this just on eBay. So let's go through the process of doing that real fast. So we would want to go over here, get the product name, enter it over here as the product title. For an image, you guys know what I usually do is I usually just take this image here. We're going to say fixed price on this one. For category, we are just going to say something like t-shirts. You guys can obviously go through and be a little bit more detailed about all of this stuff on your category. So let me go ahead and we'll say the condition is new. Obviously, you guys know this is coming from the United States. For the description, honestly, if you want, you can write your own description. I suggest it, but just for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to take this right here. Expense. Now, we know that we paid $22 for this item. We saw so right over there when we checked it out, but also on the product page. We want to sell it for $50. It's up to you if you guys want offers on or off. I personally keep them on, but I set a minimum. I'm going to say decline offers below, let's say $38 is what I want to decline. I'm not going to set an auto accept price, but I am going to say decline offers below $38. You guys can see here, brand is Under Armour. The size on this one, if we were to purchase this shirt, it would be a medium. So we can say that. The type, we'll say athletic shirt. Sizing type is standard. This will be a black shirt. In department, let's just say shirts, something like that. The quantity that we are listing is 1 if we only purchase 1. Good till canceled, all this stuff. I do no returns. That's just me. You can do whatever you want to do. And then go through and set your shipping stuff. Most of this is on you guys. I would offer free shipping though, just because that's what I would like to add. So once you get done with all of those things, you can just go down here and press the publish button, and then it'll list that item to whatever store that you set. If it's just eBay, it'll list it just eBay, Amazon, just Amazon. And that, guys, is how you list a product and how you find a product all within the Juiced app. It's very, very simple. My cat is joining me now, and she is letting you know it's also very simple. And if you aren't signed up on the Juiced app, what are you doing? Check the link down below in the description. 14-day free trial. I look forward to seeing you guys there. Make sure to get all of these leads and start your reselling journey off on a great note. Hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. This is Soul Stay from Juiced, signing out.